Hey there, YouTubers. Digger coming at you with another little party bus update. Today we've been working on the kick panel carpet, and I've got all that stuff down in there. So that's coming along, and also let's see if I can pop it up here on the front dash. I've got the subwoofer controls so that the driver can turn bass up and down, and also this new little button right here. When you kick that on, light turns blue, and that just kicked on the rear power. So let's see what happens when I hit play and it goes into this thing. Let's see. I knew it was going to do that. Okay, I'll give you a little demonstration if this thing will pick it up. Volume.
Yeah, it's a race against the clock. And once I get a taste, and it's impossible to stop. You settle in your place, you won't keep rising to the top. I wish I do it for myself, but also do it for my block. You cast me in the pit. I'm breaking necks and I'm wilding out. Reckless energy, I'm never signing out. Pull my elbows up. You crank your heart and turn it way up.
Alright, so that was supposed to be some royalty-free music that I can play on a YouTube video. Not sure how it turned out, but, you know, it's pretty potent when you're in here. But that's what we've been doing today. I've got all the wiring. Got this covered up right now, but all of the wiring and the switches and everything up in there on that front wall. Everything's all tied up and everything. We got the cover on there. All these wires down in here, everything's all been wire loomed and covered up all the way back. All the wires that go up in the walls to the speakers and across and everything, that stuff's all zip tied up and everything like that. And there's also, I've got the channel in there that channels that air conditioning unit out into here. And I painted the grills, but left those at home, so I got to remember to bring those back. But hi, how you doing? So that's what I've been up to today and yesterday, and the stereo system all week before that. But all right, that was my little video for today. I'm gonna come back up here tomorrow, and I'm gonna lay flooring. And then all I have to do is worry about the baseboard trim, wherever my finger's at, the baseboard trim to go around there. And up here, I've got this piece of carpet up here, that little corner piece of carpet in there. I keep forgetting to bring this leather board back here, so I'll get that taken care of and everything. So that's what's going on. We'll get the flooring down tomorrow. Start working on the baseboard trim, and get all the vet grills for back there. Get all that stuff installed, if I can remember to bring them up here. So we're coming along. Next thing, once I get all this stuff taken care of, then I have to figure out what I'm doing up there. So, and I still haven't brought the all the little design pieces that I made before. I haven't brought those all up to take a look at those in here yet, but it's looking pretty good. So that's my little update for today. So we'll just stop right there and say the party starts here. We'll catch you on the flip side. Digger is out.